Midnight train scraped the last heat from the sky. Another nameless evening sparks and dies. I count the breathing of the traffic lights. 3, 2, 1, then dissolve into the tide. Bicycles lean like tired ribs by the corner store. Delivery engines stitch a pulse through sleeping streets. We grow lonely gardens beneath blue screens, feeding the silence with our glowing hands. Then one night, the city forgot how to glow, and moss beside my window kept its small green fire. I slipped the headphones from my aching ears. Beyond the neon, time remembered how to walk. Like a river from childhood I swore had gone dry, still moving somewhere beneath the noise.